understand that roll stamping is an important step in the manufacturing process and even required by the Department of Transportation. Doug, can you explain what it is and why it's so important?
Certainly. It's a mechanical impression on the inside of the rim that allows the final purchaser of the part to obtain the critical information to ensure they use the tire wheel system in a safe manner.
And here first you can see in the roll stamp the Alcoa wheel logo, identifying it as an Alcoa wheel. We also have the note that it is a forged wheel, as we've been discussing. It is made in the USA in terms of its location, and we have the manufacturing date here as well. Now, very important is this max load, which is 7,400 pounds in this case, and that is critical to know that this is going on the right axle so that you are using it in a safe manner. To go along with that is the max pressure, which in this case is 130 psi, which allows you to go to this max load of 7,400 pounds. The part number here is indicated as an ALT 397, and then we also have the wheel size and half dual spacing, 22.5 by 8.25 in this case. And the reason for this being important is to ensure that you're putting the right tire on the right wheel. Then we have this TDOT information where the DOT indicates that this roll stamp, this wheel, is according to DOT specifications. And this letter in front of it, in this case a T, identifies the association that has dictated the rim profile. In this case, that means Tire and Rim Association. That would be in the United States or North America. We also have EDOT, which would be for the European, and JDOT, which would be for the Japanese. We also have added in here a warning that is not required by DOT, but we feel is very important, that discusses maintaining the proper torque. And again, if there are any questions at all, you can refer to the Alcoa Wheels Service Manual, where all this information is again identified in more detail.
Wow, there's a lot of important information listed on your wheels. And what about the heat indicator label? How does that work?
Well, the heat indicator label there is to show whether or not the wheel has been in a thermal event that may compromise the integrity of the wheel itself. There are other methodologies that can be used, and those can be seen in our wheel service manual, but we found that a visual indicator is much easier for the final operator to ensure that he understands if the wheel needs to be inspected for a thermal event.